wonder how many people would watch this on YouTube. I wish I had better light. Turn that light on over there. Don't get in the light. Should wake him up. Put the blanket on him. See if he wakes up. Don't try to wake him up. All right.